Hello my dear students, welcome to Computer Class 2, Lesson 4, Question Answer of Keyboard Special Keys, Part 2. Dear children, we have already started in the previous session the question answers of this chapter. We have already done and I have posted in the YouTube also, page number 38, A, fill in the blanks, page number 39. Match the following, guess which key I am. We have already completed this as well as few extra question also we have done in the previous session. Now in this session we are going to do tick the right answer. So open page 39 for it. How many alphabet keys are there on a keyboard? The first question is, how many alphabet keys are there on the keyboard? The options are 26, 62 or 20. And the answer is 26. How many arrow keys are there on the keyboard? The options are 5, 4 or 3. And the correct option is 4. B, 4. Up arrow, down arrow and left arrow and right arrow. Okay. Now next, third question. How many enter keys are there on a keyboard? Dear children, there are 2 enter keys on the keyboard. The options given are 1, 2 and 3. So the correct option is B, 2. Which key combination is used to move the cursor to the bottom of a document? The options are Control plus and Control plus O, All plus F4. So, Control plus End option is used to move the cursor to the end of the document. Control plus O used to move the cursor to the top of the document. All plus F4 is used to close the program. So, the correct option is B, Control plus Home. Now, fifth one. Which among the following is a type of punctuation key? A, question mark, B, A, C, 1. So, the correct option is A, question mark. Okay. The answers I have displayed here on the screen. You can tally it and mark the correct options properly. Now, the next question. The following keys are present on the left side of the keyboard. Make some words with the keys given below. Dear children, in keyboard you will find in the left side of the keyboard you will find these alphabets or these keys. Okay, with the help of these keys you will have to make some words. Okay, so one is given for you, far. The word far is written here. Next word, it could be car, fat, G-A-T-E gate, S-A-D sad, R-A-T rat, sorry, then Z-E-B-R-A zebra. Any word you can write down here. Okay. Now B is make some words out of the keys present on the right side of the keyboard. Earlier we have done in A part we have done the left side of the keyboard. Now in the right side of the keyboard again you will have to make some words. So which word you can make? Up is written over here. So you can write down few more words related to that you can make with the help of these keyboards, these keys. So you can make ink, jump, lily, milk, pin, pink, etc. And I have also displayed some words for you. You can write it down in your book. Okay. Another word also you can write, whatever you feel like. You can write it properly, but write the correct answer. Okay. Now next one, C. Rahul has an old computer. A boy named Rahul, he is having an old computer. Some keys of its keyboard have been faded. Faded means वहाँ से हट गया. ठीक है, उस पर लिखा हुआ नहीं है. The word is not written over there. It has been faded. Help him to paste the stickers with key names on the respective keys. So, what you will have to do, you will have to help Rahul to paste the correct name of the key. You have to paste the sticker. You have to tell him which key is first one. It is backspace key. B-A-C-K, back, S-P-A-C-E. The correct sticker that Rahul should paste over there is backspace. Second one, it's caps lock key. C-A-P-S, caps, L-O-C-K, lock. Caps lock key. Now third one is enter key. E-N-T-E-R, enter key. Fourth one is arrow key. It's arrow key, no? Which key? Up arrow. U-P, up, A-R-R-O-W. On key, up arrow, an arrow showing upward direction, you will paste that sticker. Okay. Fifth one is delete key. D-E-L-E-T-E. For that, you have to paste D-E-L. Okay. This one also, I have done it for you. You can check the answers and mark it properly. Now, next one. Page number 41. Lab activity is given over there. What you will have to do, you will have to open the WordPad application by clicking on Start, go to Start, then open Windows, Accessories and open WordPad. Then type the following sentences in WordPad. My name is, whatever your name is, you write down. My name is XYZ. I read in class 2. I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters, or I have 1 brother, 1 sister. My father's name is XYZ. He is a, whatever he is, you can, okay, fill in the blanks given over here. Okay. Now next, instructions that you have to do. After each and every sentences, press enter key. At the end of each sentence, you have to press enter key. When you are typing, while you are typing on WordPad, what you will have to do, after each sentence, press enter key. Use the arrow key and correct the spelling in and school using delete key. After typing full text, go to click the cursor there on INN in and then press delete key. And then correct the spelling of school also like that. Place the cursor over there and delete H and O from there. In the same way, correct the spelling of brother. In place of A, it should be O. So, write down brother there. And in place of S, also, you have to place the cursor and delete it. Then, use arrow keys and erase all the extra B. It is given in 7th point. I obey, O-B-B-E-Y. So delete, place the cursor over, click on B and then press delete key or backspace key. When you will press backspace key, the left side B will be deleted, and if you will press delete key, the right side B will be deleted. So, this time press backspace key and delete the B written on left side. Okay, now click after correcting all the mistakes, all the errors. Then what you will have to do, you will have to go to file again. Then a drop down window will come. Go to save option on title bar and then give a file name. Then click on save button. Your file will be saved then. Okay, practice this thing at home. So with few more questions I will be here again. I will be with you again. Till then, take care. Thank you.